Hi, I'm John McMurchie at McMurchie Meats, Heckenley Hall, and we're an open butchery. Everybody can see what we're doing. We have nothing to hide, and we're very, very proud of what we've achieved. I was born into it, 7, 8 years old. I was in the abattoir, loved every minute of it. Never happier when with a knife. My father started the business back in 1968. He came from Newcastle and moved over to this side of Durham. Opened the abattoir up, very successful. I moved into the retail side from 14, 15 years old and has never stopped since. We've got Kevin here. Kevin's our main boner out. What we'd class it is the older style of butchery, but it's fabulous. So he sticks with the traditional way, and then we sell it in a more upbeat way.
I like the old-fashioned way. You know, I'm stuck in my ways. Or I admire them for what they're doing now. You know, what Bryce does and what John does. It's not my way, but it's nice, you know, and it's good to see them progressing.
We'll introduce you to Bryce now. Bryce has just represented Great Britain in the World Butchery Challenge.
13, 14 years ago, wasn't happy at the last place I was at, and just walked into John's and just said, anything going? He said, hi, can you start now? And that was it. Started boning out there and then. Every morning I come in, I never get told what to do. We just get on with it. We know our jobs. And everybody, we've worked over the last 8 years to develop a new way, and that is the kitchen ready side of things, you know. Dalziel's supplied with a vast amount of kitchen ready sauces that we can use from Verstegen. And I love every one of them. That's my forte. That's where I work. I leave the lads to do all of this side of things, and I just work on kitchen ready from Verstegen, MRC. The products are on point, they're perfect, and we never have a problem.
We have 23 approximately different IDs on the kitchen ready, constantly doing new ones. Dalziel's backing us up all the time. They'll come forward and let us know when there's something new on the market. Such a small percentage now is what I would class as traditional butchery. We still do our pork chops, we still do our loins, we still do our belly pork, but really people want the kitchen ready products.
Anything we want to do, we just do it. We put it in the window. If it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell, but it's never happened yet. We sell everything that we produce. And we'll try anything once, which is obviously what's just made us win quite a large award with the Smithfield, which is part of the Q Guild. That's been massive for us, and that was all through John just letting us have a go at it, you know.
And then moving over to our sausage range, which even though I'm the owner, I couldn't even tell you how many we do because there's so many different variants now. Into our deli area, hot pies, additional, and then into the bakery. So we've got Andrew and Michael, where all the work gets done, apparently.
I was a chef from leaving school for 10 years. Got in contact when they opened this place up, so I moved down here.
The bakery and the butchery, they work together fantastically, because obviously if we are heavy on anything, because we use whole carcass meat, so if we're heavy on anything, I can say to Andrew in the kitchen, Andrew, I'm a little bit heavy on mince. Andrew will make lasagnas. Andrew will make bolognese, and it'll go. And it's just fantastic, the fact that we can just continue buying whole carcass meat and be able to use it all really through the bakery.
Butchery's changed probably more in the last 15 years than I would say it's changed in the last 100 years. And if you're not moving with it, you're going to get left behind. You have to keep looking at what other people are doing who are successful, which again brings Dalziel's back into the window. They're pushing forward with all these different products. So change is ginormous, and I think it's going to change dramatically again over the next 5 years. This is all I ever wanted to do. I love the atmosphere, I love the nice relaxed business environment. I just love being in the shop.